Hello there. How goes it, amigos? How goes it? Hello. Oh, hi there. A little live from the truck. No, we're in the truck right now. Yeah. We're in my lady. We are indeed. We are indeed. Hola, hola. How is everybody's day today? Halloween tomorrow. Halloween tomorrow. I hope you all are ready and hand out some candy. If that happens in your area. Do we get kicked out of the house? No. Imagine. Ma gave me the boot. See you later, bud. Halloween week for teachers is tough. I'd believe it. Candace, do you guys do like a little parade around like the block or around the neighborhood of the school? Or is it too busy around there for that? I see the Falls does a lot of cool stuff. Yeah, they do some alright things. Ange, thank you for the roses. We do a parade in the school. Oh, okay. Hi there. Hello there. I have many bags of chips to hand out like Doritos. There you go. Little snack packs. Our students can't dress up anymore. What? Why? My students are off the chain. Michelle from Down Under. The Aussie. What is up? Is it bad that I didn't buy candy? Nah. Just have like your front lights off. Fuck, we got a big one Friday. We got a big one. We're playing our partner, Illest Chief. So the guy that we were teamed up with on Monday is who we're playing up against for the finals. So it should be good. And I've got some birthday plans that day as well, so I might be in primo condition for live. It might be prime time Friday night. 9 o'clock Eastern time. Ooh, baby. We're going to be feeling real good. Put an empty bowl out with a sign that says, please take one. Oh my God. Yeah, that's smart, Dennis. Smart. Oh, there's just company at home right now, so I don't want to be in there and be loud and disturbing, and plus it'd be loud for our live as well. I'm so sad I have to work for Friday night. No. Friday night haircut. Yeah, we got a little crispening, make it a little crispy. I'm so tired though. I am gassed. Fuck, you know what I gotta do tomorrow? At some point I need to pick up one of those like little tiny candles so I can put it in our catastrophe of a pumpkin. But like we said, all right, it was an imperfect pumpkin to start, all right? The sucker couldn't even stand up straight. It was a side wobble, it leaned on its side. And so I feel like it's only appropriate to have a little fucked up design on it, an imperfect design for an imperfect pumpkin. Yeah, my wow pumpkin. Exactly, Rachel Smith. Exactly. Tea light. Yeah, that one. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. 3 jobs, Michelle. It was perfect in its own way. I appreciate that. Thank you. Hi from Canada. Hello. Don, thank you for the team cheers. Thank you. Your jack-o'-lantern was elite. Don't worry. Hey. Appreciates it. Marie, thank you for the pumpkin. Gracias, amigo. It's not going to be a very long live tonight, but I figure pop in for a bit at least. Say what up, you know? I'm excited to sleep tonight, though. I'm gassed. I'm very tired. I got nothing in the tank. I got nothing. I need to fix my sleep schedule. You napped today? Very nice. Very nice. Hello, Kathy. Hello, hello. Hello, other Kathy. You have an OG Roots hoodie. I do. I do. Good eye. Good eye. It's comfy. Very comfy. I didn't choose the fangirl life. It chose me. I nap almost every day. It's the thing. You gotta love a good nap. You know what I mean? You gotta love a good nap. Once you see, like, the key is, though, if you're not a napper, it's almost best to not become, like, don't take one, because once you experience a beautiful, great nap, you'll never go back. You'll just never go back. Life is just never the same. You'll always be living for that next nap, you know? Hello from New Brunswick. Hello. Beth, hi there. I cannot nap. Robin, what's going on? We're just in my truck right now. I wish you talked about us with that sparkle in your eye. I wish I appreciated naps when I was younger. Gotta love a good nap. I wake up so full of energy, it's great. See, it doesn't matter how long I sleep for, I never wake up with, like, a burst of energy or anything like that. Like, I always need a little bit to get the gears going a little bit, and then we're off and we're good. Naps are fantastic. Yep. You got it, Robin. You got it. Same. Am I okay? I'm okay. Yes. I'm just exhausted, like I was saying. I'm very tired. Very, very tired. Manuela, thank you for the roses. Thank you. Thank you. Chino. Hello, Chino. Hello there. I'm never okay. Oh, Rana. Rana. Avery's killing it in volleyball right now, though, eh? Oh, I just shared my own live? What the fuck? What did I just do? What did I do? My bad. To who? I don't even know. I don't know what happened. Eve, another Aussie. What's going on? What is going on? Bama Cam, how you doing? How are you doing? Wendy, hello. Send yourself a heart me. I don't think I could do that. It won't let me. Almost your birthday. It is almost my birthday. Yeah. Like one, pretty much a day. It's a day away. Friday. Good old Friday. And then it's Jay Custon's birthday. You look. Susie, sounds good. I appreciate that. Thank you. I will, I'm gonna go either tomorrow at some point or either Friday morning to try and grab those, so. But Friday morning for sure at the latest, I'll be there. I'll be 100%. Same as Battle Day though, yeah. Same as Battle Day. You got it. It shall be interesting. Oh, hi, Mom. And the answer to your question is you would be good. Yeah, to do that. You'd be safe to do that. Yeah. Okay. Over 48 hours since I mailed it, and it's only 50 miles away from where it started. You gotta love that, eh, Haley? Gotta love it. Thanks, Ma. You're pushing it with birthday celebrations, gift opening, and battle all at once. I know, it's gonna be a busy day. A busy day. That might be the busiest birthday I've ever had. Or at least that I could remember. Janelle and cupcakes. Oh yeah. Cherry chip cupcakes. The best. Susie, thank you for the roses. Thank you. Happy early birthday. I'll be at work. Well, thank you. Thank you, Sylvia. I appreciate it. I just came in. Where are you? Yeah, I'm in my truck. Chilling. Marie, good night. Much love. Teresa, thank you for the money gun as well. I appreciate that. Gracias. Lighting is nice, thank you. Just got my truck screen going. It's bright. Very bright. Isn't this weather crazy? It was like no, I know. It was super warm today, but the only thing, I don't know what it was like for you, but it was breezy. Very, very breezy today, but it was warm. I was happy about it. Martin, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Been to Buffalo lately for wings? I have not. Christine with the Chasing the Dream. Thank you very much, Christine. I appreciate that. Much love. Thank you. Thank you. Still 80 here. I think when I first got in my truck earlier today, like early this afternoon, it was my truck was reading 30 degrees, which is pretty fucked. Okay, love you, bye. Good night, Ma. Good night. Hello from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Hello. Boo, hello. What are we doing? We're just chilling, Alicia. Just chilling and chatting for a little bit. Chilling and chatting. If anyone purchases coins, the pug has a link in his bio to get them cheaper. Interesting. A quarter of a century? I know. Quarter of a century. Damn. Good old 2-5. Grand Prairie, Alberta. Very nice. Oh, fuck, Dad. Can't you see I'm live, dude? Sorry, my father tried to call me. What am I going to be for Halloween? A doctor. I'm going to be a doctor. Dr. Jax McClary. But not a surgeon, okay? I'm a doctor, but not a surgeon, all right? Let's make that very clear right here, right now. I am the last person you would want to have as a surgeon. As most of you have seen from the other night, I can cut sod real well, all right? I can cut sod real well, and that's probably about where it ends. It's about where it ends. It's fine, though. It's fine. I've used my appointments to get out of work. What will be my specialty? I don't know. Do I have a party to go to? On Saturday. Not like actual Halloween, but like Saturday. Yeah. Heart doctor. What is that, like a cardiologist? Is that what they're called? Cardiologist. We know you have the equipment. Fuck. Fuck. That giggle says you know. Foot doctor. Labor and delivery? Oh, fuck no. Oh, hell no. Am I blushing? No, I'm not blushing. Negative. Warm it up before you use it. That's crazy. I ain't never using it, so. Fuck it. Already thank you for the rose. That's wild. That's crazy. Hey there, could you wish my friend... Yeah, I could try. You almost got me with that one. I'm not even gonna lie. I've learned my lesson, though. I've learned my lesson. He doesn't blush anymore? Yeah, no, you broke me. I didn't do it. Good try, though, Aiden. Good try, man. You almost got me. Almost got me. Did you see Luke Combs and Eric Church raise 25? Holy fuck. Good for them. Good for them. That's impressive. Very impressive. I'm gonna sleep like a fucking baby tonight. I'll tell you that for free. Like a baby. Snooze. Shut her down. Try and go to bed early. Yeah, I'm gonna try my best. But we all know how that tends to work out. But we'll see. We will see. Sometimes I'm successful. Sometimes I am successful. I did not. No nap today. No nap. Not today. That's okay. It's A-okay. Some Benadryl? Oh, fuck. We've all seen what Benadryl does to me. Makes me loopy. Hello, loopy. What am I watching? Still Lincoln Lawyer? No, I actually have finished Lincoln Lawyer now. I haven't watched anything the last couple nights. I have to get back onto it. House of Dragons still, though. I've watched a few episodes there. But yeah, I think my next one's going to be Yellowstone. That's going to be the next show I start. Yellowstone. Because I keep seeing clips of it on my TikTok. And it looks good. It looks real good. So, yeah. Yellowstone. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. New season starts soon, so you should get on it. Good. Beth Dunn. Still haven't watched that either. Damn, Sylvia with the Cooper flies home. Sylvia, thank you. I appreciate that. Much love. Thank you. That sounds so familiar, Stacy. I don't know why. It sounds so fucking familiar though. Outer Banks, yeah. I need to that's one I need to give another shot to, because I only got like halfway through the first episode and I wasn't really in it. But also at the same time when I tried to watch it, I wasn't really in like the mood to watch it either. Like I kind of just put it on for background noise and was just laying there on my phone, so I'll have to start that from the beginning. Started the new season, can't get into it, yeah. I don't know. Have I seen Vikings? No, I have not, but I heard that one's really good too, actually. I'll have to give that one a whirl. The jury's still out on this season, yeah. Yeah. I'm rewatching it for the third time. Wait, Viking? Fuck, it must be pretty good then. It must be pretty solid. Hi there. Hello there. I'm liking this season, ready for the second half. Gathering power. Yeah, Beth, we'll do the power-ups and stuff tomorrow night, though. We'll do that tomorrow night. Just a little chill live tonight. Yankees winning? No way. So what, is it 3-1 in the series? And if they win this game, it would be 3-2? Could make it interesting. 3-2, that's a whole different ball game. Back to LA. Oh. Beth, kind of like you want. 5-0 right now. Oof. Eve, you're going for the Yankees, eh? The Yanks? Keeping it... Yeah, no, for sure. For sure, Kathy. It's never, like... I mean, it's fun when you're supporting the team that destroys the other one, but, like, whenever you see, like, a sweep like that, you don't want to see a sweep in the finals. You want to make it exciting. I only hate them slightly less than the Dodgers. Oh, okay. I got you. Wait. We just scored. There we go. Who's all going to the Bills with you? So it's just me and my one buddy Brendan, not Garrett, my other buddy Brendan, and yeah, I don't know who else is coming along, but it'll be fun. Our seats are incredible too, which is crazy. Got some crazy good seats, so I'm looking forward to it. That'll be a good day. A good night. Whichever time it's at. I don't even know. I don't even know. Excited, yeah, no, I'm looking forward to it. It'll be fun. It shall be fun. Don't we change time this weekend? I think we do, yeah. I think on Sunday, actually, we change time. Could be wrong. Could be wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure it's Sunday. Or... Wait. Yeah. Sunday. So wait. We changed the time, but do we gain or lose an hour of sleep? We gain. No, we lose an hour. Right? Oh, we gain? Oh, okay. So what, right now it would be 8:44? That's crazy, because it already gets dark fucking so early, it feels like. Now it's just gonna get dark even earlier. Fuck, I forgot how sad that is. That's so shit. Oh boy, what a little comeback. Hibernation. The time difference, yeah, not great. Bianca, hello. Okay, but ladies, we will be back. We'll be back on tomorrow, all right? I'm gassed. I'm ready to shut her down. So, I'm sorry it was so short but sweet. We will, like I said, be back tomorrow. We'll collect some power-ups and, do a little thing. And, yeah. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks for popping in for a quick little chat. I hope you sleep well. And as always, good night. And love you, bye. Ciao, amigos.